हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू। आज हम आए हैं सेक्टर 23 द्वारका डॉक्टर अदिति सचदेवा की डेंटल क्लिनिक पे, जो आज हमें नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड एपरेटस जो आप पीछे देख रहे हैं इसकी वर्किंग प्रोसेस के बारे में बताएंगे। कैसे हम पेशेंट में से एडमिनिस्टर करते हैं, ये कैसे काम करता है, वो सारी चीज़ें, इसके बेसिक पार्ट्स क्या हैं, वो सब उसके बारे में बताएंगे। सो गाइस, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वीडियो। डॉक्टर अदिति, हाउ आर यू।
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditi Sachdev, MDS Pedodontist, and I am here to explain you about laughing gas nitrous oxide oxygen delivery system today. Now let's start with the introduction of the machine. This is the flow meter. How much oxygen concentration is there? It is visible on the left side, and the concentration of nitrous oxide is visible on the left side. This is the pressure gauge of nitrous oxide, and this is the pressure gauge of oxygen. Full pressure shows 1600, and here also full pressure shows 1600. That means the cylinder is full of the gas.
सो सब हमें ये मेंटेन करना है या इससे हमें पता चलेगा कि कितने प्रेशर पे है या क्या चीज है?
ये चीज है कि सपोज आपकी ऑक्सीजन फुल टैंक 1600 है,
Okay.
और अभी जैसे आप लोग देख रहे हैं इट इज अराउंड 1200. दैट मीन्स अगर हम और यूज करते जाएंगे तो 1000, 500 और कम होता जाएगा. दैट मीन्स ये सिलेंडर खाली हो रहा है. टैंक का प्रेशर भी शो कर रहा है, प्लस द अमाउंट ऑफ गैस प्रेजेंट इन द सिलेंडर इज विजिबल फ्रॉम दिस गेज.
ये नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड,
ये नाइट्रस ब्लू वाला है, ये नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, और व्हाइट वाला है
आपका
ऑक्सीजन.
ऑक्सीजन का जो रिमेनिंग गैस है उसको शो करता है,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
डॉक्टर अदिति, ये चीज क्या है? मतलब
ये चीज हमारी एक्स्ट्रा सिलेंडर्स आते हैं. जैसे ये एक्स्ट्रा सिलेंडर्स है
आपने जो पीछे रखे हैं.
हाँ जी, ये नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड के मशीन के साथ 2 नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड के आते हैं और 2 ऑक्सीजन के आते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये एक्स्ट्रा सिलेंडर मैंने यहाँ से, मशीन हैवी ना हो जाए इसलिए उतार के रखे हुए हैं. जो हमें चाहिए वो लगा के रखा हुआ है.
ये नोब उसके लिए है.
हाँ, ये इसको ओपन करते हैं और सिलेंडर इसके अंदर फिट कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे नाइट्रस ब्लू है तो नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, और व्हाइट में ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा फिट हो जाएगा.
तो सर ये क्या है? दिस इज, आई थिंक इस पे लिखा हुआ है ऑक्सीजन फ्लश.
ये ऑक्सीजन फ्लश बटन है. जैसे ही हम इसको प्रेस करते हैं 100% ऑक्सीजन इस बैग में फुल हो जाती है. सपोज ओवरडोज हो जाती है या पेशेंट को ज्यादा नींद आ जाती है, ओवर सिडेशन हो जाती है, देन वी प्रेस ऑक्सीजन फ्लश टू रिवर्स द इफेक्ट ऑफ द सिडेशन, एंड इट कॉजेस instant reversal of the sedation and oxygen is given.
डॉक्टर, ये चीज क्या अटैच है इससे? ये वाली चीज,
This is called as scavenging system. The exhaled air which is exhaled from the nose is collected from this pipe into this chamber, and through the pipe it is gone into the drain, or we can connect it with the suction also.
So environment में नहीं जाता.
हाँ जी, so that the other person like me, my staff, or other people who are present in the clinic, they do not inhale nitrous oxide. This is nasal hood, this blue colored. It comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, according to the size of nose of the patient. It is connected with the inlet in which the mixture of gases is flowing, and it goes into the nose of the patient. And this is the outlet in which exhaled air is collected in the scavenging unit. Then it is connected to the drain.
So this is inlet.
This is inlet pipe connected here, and this is outlet pipe.
सब पेशेंट को कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे जब हम इसको एडमिनिस्टर करेंगे?
सपोज आज हमारे पास पेशेंट आया है, ठीक है. अगर पेशेंट की लेवल ऑफ एंजाइटी बहुत ज्यादा है, if the patient is super anxious that he or she is not even able to sit, follow the instructions, and is not communicative with their dentist, then he is not a good candidate for this sedation. At least patient with good communication skills and fearful and anxious patient is the best candidate. Suppose patient is very anxious and he is not even cooperative for wearing the nasal hood, then that patient is not suitable for the conscious sedation. That patient will go for general anesthesia.
So, any other criteria?
Yes, there are many criteria, many other criteria. Age of the patient. Child less than 3 years is not suitable for this laughing gas sedation. At least there is no absolute contraindication. The only thing is child should not be should be cooperative enough that he or she wears the nasal hood. That if he is cooperating to wear the nasal hood, then there is no absolute contraindication. Other classifications, other factors are local factors like if the patient is claustrophobic or if the patient has motion sickness, ASA, ASA classification, special children not able to follow the instruction. We have to select the patient.
सब एक बार आप पेशेंट के ऊपर हम एक्सपेरिमेंट आप दिखाएंगे कि कैसे आप एडमिनिस्टर करना चाहेंगे।
ठीक, सबसे पहले we'll switch on the oxygen cylinder like this, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. It is open. And then with this knob, we open the flow of gases. See, it's at 1, then 2, 3, 4. And this oxygen is getting filled in the ambu bag or a reservoir bag. All of you can see. This is pure oxygen because I have not opened this nitrous oxide yet.
So first of all, we have to fill oxygen.
Yes, and we have to administer oxygen for 3 minutes. We can adjust like this.
यहाँ से आपने adjust
हाँ, ये tight हो जाता, open ऊपर नीचे हो जाता. See, now the bag is full.
Patient का comfort देखना है वहाँ पे आपको.
Breathe करिए.
Are you fine? Yes.
See, जैसे ये कर रहे हैं breathe, तो इसमें से inhalation में कम हो गए, exhalation में बढ़ गए. We can see the movement here. In standard titration, first we have to make the patient inhale oxygen for 3 minutes.
So any timer is attached?
No, timer is not attached. I have a second watch with a second hand.
For how many minutes?
Yes, yes.
So this is pressure or this what is this bowl?
This is showing liters per minute. 4 liters per minute oxygen is going into the ambu bag.
And same pressure of nitrous oxide you will maintain
No,
on that side?
no.
Different.
After 3 minutes, we'll switch on the nitrous oxide with this knob.
Okay.
Now, it is at 10. Oxygen concentration is automatically decreased.
Okay.
Now, in this mixture, now the bag contains 90% oxygen and 10% nitrous oxide. This patient has to inhale for 1 minute. We'll see the time. For 1 minute. Now we at the concentration nitrous oxide 50 and oxygen 50 will observe and ask for the signs and symptoms. Eyes of the patient should be observed. Hand should be observed. Main thing is eyes and breathing. We have to observe. Then we can increase it up to 60. This is usually the maximum concentration. In this concentration, the best effect of LA is observed. This is the best time we can give LA. And the local anesthesia will also be painless at this concentration. But we have to observe. If the patient is giving more symptoms and if he is going into moderate sedation, then we have to decrease the nitrous oxide concentration gradually. So till the patient opens his eyes. Eyes of the patient has to be observed. He or she should not close his eyes.
Okay. So continuous monitoring of eyes.
Yes, eyes and all other breathing, cardiovascular system. We can check the pulse also.
Can you apply pulse oximeter on this?
Yes, yes, we can apply.
To regulate? Or...
Yes, before and after pulse oximeter should be done.
Okay.
After injection, 10 minutes of LA is achieved. Then we have to maintain the nitrous oxide oxygen sedation at 20%, so that the overdose is reduced and sedation is maintained. We can do extraction, root canal, and whatever planned procedures are there at this concentration. And when the procedure is just about to complete, 2 minutes before, we can just completely stop the nitrous oxide and 100% oxygen is administered to the patient. Then after 5 minutes of recovery, then we can discharge the patient. We can take out the nasal hood, close the cylinders. Closing is done clockwise. Close, and here also we can reduce the concentration and check. Before discharging the patient, we'll check the pulse oximeter. It is 99% because at the end we have given 100% oxygen. So concentration of the oxygen is 99%. I hope you liked the video of this conscious sedation procedure. Are you scared of visiting the dentist? That is why we have upgraded to the laughing gas or conscious sedation. Many of our fearful patients have experienced comforting treatment procedures. Don't let your tooth ache delay your dental visit due to fear. DM now to book your appointment and experience a stress-free dental care with Dr. Aditi Sachdev. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. for your kind information and your knowledge you share with us. Thank you so much.